We have a house. The house is orange. A house is where we live. There's a door and there's a window. There's grass around the house. The colour of the grass is green. There's also a bush next to the window that is also green. There are some clouds in the sky and they are white. The sky is blue and there is a sun, a yellow sun. On the roof of the house, we have a pattern made up of different shapes. Some are leaves, some are flowers, some are ladybugs, and some are butterflies. And there's even a rabbit and a tree. So let's play this game together. Now look at that. Can you see the pattern on the roof? That's a green leaf. And that's a white flower with a yellow center. That's a black and red ladybug. That's a green leaf. And that's another white flower with a yellow center. It's a red and black ladybug. Purple flower, a blue butterfly, a pink and green lotus flower, a purple flower, a blue butterfly, another pink and green lotus flower, a white rabbit, a red flower with green leaves, a green tree with a brown trunk, a white rabbit, a red flower with green leaves, and another green tree with a brown trunk. Now what they've done is they've removed some of the items and now we've got to try and match them up, right? There's a pattern. So let's do this together. Can you see? That is a white flower with a yellow center. Okay, so what's next after that? Let me think. That's right. It's a ladybug. Do you understand how this works? Okay, what's the next one? We have purple flower, blue butterfly, and a pink and green lotus flower. So what's the next one? That's right, the purple flower. So what's next after the purple flower? That's right, the blue butterfly. Do you know which one is next? That's right, it's the pink and green lotus flower. Now what's the next one? We have a rabbit, a red rose, and a tree. Let me think. Yes, a white rabbit. So what's next? That's right, the red rose or flower. And the tree is next. Well done. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.